Hello and welcome back to Quell. Now what I've got again is another portable door lock. They're becoming very popular now. If you go back a couple of months, you'll see I've done videos on 3 of them. This is one that was given to me by one of the staff in the housing and care sector. And they basically said, look Will, we bought this, it cost a couple of quid, what do you think? And there it is there. Now, I'm going to show you a video how it works. It's like the rest. The only thing is that this is quite sharp, see that? And it can actually do a lot of damage to a door as well. I know for personal safety, we don't care, because as long as you're safe, we're happy. But I'm going to show you, it's quite actually niggly to get in. I mean, that has the hook into the door catch type area like that, and creates this little hook, and then you've got to get this onto it with closing the door, nearly trapping your fingers, and then that goes on, and then this here then goes on to the end, and then as you'll see from the video, and we'll see what you think. Take a look. Hopefully the video will give you a bit of an idea. My honest opinion is it's not really worth it. Stick to the old faithful, as I call it. The big red, whatever you want to call it, although you get different colours. This is quite good. Yes, I agree, it's a little bit heavier, but at the end of the day, what's the point in buying something that's small and niggly that might work, whereas you know these are very popular and they do work. Again, as I always try to point out, the choice is yours. I only give you the actual tools to have a look at, and then you can make your decision. Thank you for watching this video. Stay safe, whatever you're doing, and bye for now.